All right, here we go, guys. Subterfuge Box Break number 2174. Ice from last night left over. So before we do anything, somebody's got to get those Oilers. Who's it going to be? The wheel knows. Oh, the silver masked men are out of 100. Okay. Thank you, Brian. So the golds are probably 20 or 25. Calgary Flames and Daniel. Golds are 10, right? I knew that. Thanks for looking that up, though. That would have bugged me. I'd have to check it later. Alright, so here we go. Have time. War, Todd, Jackie, Sean, Dave, Daniel. Chuck got the Ninja. Daniel, Jack B, and DJ. The wheel spins. Aaron's got our Devils, Jack B and DJ and Hammer Time, and both Jacks right there. Jack snuck in at the end, so let's see what we can get for Chucky here. Oh, and because yeah, you got 12, you got the Ninja. I'm gonna toss you a magnet, my brother. Yeah, we'll go with this. Something different, one of my favorite movies. Blazing Saddles. Blazing Saddles for you. Where are the white women at? Chuck, here come your 12 darts. Double 19. Double 11. Excuse me while I whip this out. Triple 4. Single 9. Triple 19 and triple 12. No kidding. Yeah, it would get massive boos, eh? Double bull. Yeah, I know. Actually, Chuck's last package had 15 magnets in it, eh? Double 13. You went Boomsaw C. Double 5, single 8. Yeah, but in the spirit of that movie is awesome. It is totally yeah. There's a lot of content in there. There we go, Chucky. Still awesome movie. All right, 5+ wheel spin, Daniel. We're on 18s for this one too, guys. So I know people these days are oh, Carolina Hurricanes for Daniel. It almost flipped over to Bill's pile, but it's just a dart. I was waiting for it. Gave her a few seconds. Yeah, I wonder, they're probably used to seeing those magnets, I would imagine. Oh yeah, just the darts. So there it is, 666. Daniel. Jack B. Got the giant base list for you printed out, so I'm going to start chugging away at that pile when I get a chance. And you got St. Louis Blues, which is a dart. Probably ain't gonna get it all done in one shot, you know, but I'll take a chunk out of it for you. And your dart, sir, is a double 6, and you're welcome. Oh, we got another 6 here. It's gonna be crazy. It's triple and double 6 so far for the spins. Next year is fine. That'll be before then. Don't worry. You're like the last. You and Aaron are the last big packages to go out. Pittsburgh for DJ. Is I think a dart for Pittsburgh. I haven't made any kind of Nick rigged bonus or anything yet for that. Triple 16. Alright, ice time. Cereal. For the YouTube video only. You guys don't care what the serial number is live, eh? No, I don't. Oh. Alright. Brick. It looks like could be a nice ringside signings or something. Didn't look. It wasn't thick enough to be exquisite. And Mikko Rantanen for Sean. Sean Rantanen. Global Impact. Sean, are you gonna? There we go. Mikko Rantanen. Oh, blurry. Ah. Like I, oh yeah, like I always say, if you want your base, let me know. If you don't want it, that's cool. Malcolm Subban for War Machine out of $12.99. Nice to see World Junior insert. We got Subban, his brother, and Tuukka Rask. A mem in this one. Big Bird in Montreal. Sagan, Dallas. Gretzky, Chucky. Spacer, me. And Matt Pumple for Ottawa and Jack B. Fresh Reds jersey. Getting you a single 18 for your pile. So Jack, you got a mem. No Ace Premiers yet. That's weird, eh? So Plekanec and Salming. And speak of the devil, Dylan DeMilo for Daniel out of 1999. And Brian Little. Jets. Yeah, it says you have Ottawa on my sheet, so I guess you do. Could be wrong. Jonathan Toews. Ice Premiers at a $14.99. Chandler Stevenson for Jack B. Getzlaf and Iggy. Yeah, I know. Usually when I buy a lot of teams, I go to the site and I open it up. There's a link that shows you the teams you bought recently. That's what I do because I always forget to. Tyler Johnson, Claude Giroux. Ice Premiers, Daniel Sprong for Hammer out of $9.99. Pulled you a Pittsburgh card for a while, Hammer. There you go. And Gallagher base. Nice Premier in this. Oh, no. Exquisite. Claude Giroux Exquisite for DJ. Out of 149. Base brick. Looks in reasonable shape. In the back, too. Kessel and Hood. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, I was right. Signings. Norwegian Hobbit, Mats Zuccarello on the back. We got James Neal. Yeah, Terry Sawchuk. Our auto. Going to Daniel and the Edmonton Oilers. Rinkside signings of some guy named Connor McDavid. And there's my first good McDavid pull out of ice. Now the surface of that card has some weirdness on it, but awesome sauce. We'll be scanning that card for the Hall of Fame in a few minutes. Pretty huge, pretty expensive card, I would imagine. And that's it for this one, guys. Thanks a lot for your support, and we'll catch you all on the next one. Have a great night.